Now this is the question we have in front of us. Let's understand the question with the help of the figure. It says that there is a toy. This toy is a combination of a cylinder, a hemisphere at one end of the cylinder and a cone at the other end. Further, it says that the radius of the cone, the radius of the cylinder and the radius of the hemisphere is same and it is 10 centimeter. Also, they have provided us with the height of the conical part, which is again 10 centimeter. The total height of the toy is given as 60 centimeter. It says that find the total surface area and the volume of the toy. Let us first focus on getting total surface area of the toy. We know that total surface area simply means addition of areas of those surfaces which are visible from outside. So we can say the total surface area of the toy is equal to the curved surface area of the cone plus the curved surface area of the cylinder plus the curved surface area of the hemisphere. Now, let us first focus on getting curved surface area of the cone. What is the formula to find curved surface area of the cone? Yes, it is pi RL. Next, what is the formula to find curved surface area of the cylinder? Yes, it is 2 pi RH. Next, what is the formula to find curved surface area of the hemisphere? Yes, it is 2 pi R square. Now, let us focus on the given information to see whether we can find the total surface area of the toy. Observe, we have the radius of the cylinder, the radius of the cone and the radius of the hemisphere and it is 10 centimeter. So, we can say that we have small r. So, to find the total surface area of the toy, it simply means that we have to find the slant height of the cone and the height of the cylinder. Let us find the slant height of the cone and the height of the cylinder, out of which let us first find the slant height of the cone. Now, my dear students, what is the formula to find slant height of the cone? Yes, it is root of r square plus h square. We'll write in the solution slant height of the cone is equal to root of r square plus h square. Now let us substitute the values. My dear students, what is the radius of the cone? Yes, it is 10. So we'll write root of 10 square. Now what is the height of the cone? Yes, it is again 10. So we'll write again 10 square. Now 10 square is 100. So we have root of 100 plus 100. 100 plus 100 is 200. So we have root of 200. Root of 200 is equal to 10 root 2. Now observe, we have the value of root 2. It is given as 1.41. So we'll substitute, we'll get 10 into 1.41. 10 into 1.41, yes, it is 14.1. So we can say, therefore, the slant height of the cone is 14.1. Next, we need to find is the height of the cylinder. So now, let us find the height of the cylinder. We can say that height of the cylinder is equal to the total height of the toy minus the height of the cone minus the height of the hemisphere. Now observe, the total height of the toy is given as 60. So we'll substitute there. The height of the cone is 10. So we'll substitute 10 as well. Now in case of hemisphere, we know that in hemisphere, radius is equal to height. So if the radius of the hemisphere is 10, what is the height of the hemisphere? Yes, it is also 10. So we'll substitute 10 as well. Now 60 minus 10 is 40. So we have the height of the cylinder equal to 40 centimeter. Now my dear students, observe, we have all the parameters to find now the total surface area of the toy. We can say that total surface area of the toy is equal to the curved surface area of the cone plus curved surface area of the cylinder plus curved surface area of the hemisphere. Now let us substitute the formulas. Curved surface area of the cone is pi RL, curved surface area of the cylinder is 2 pi RH and the curved surface area of the hemisphere is 2 pi R square. Let's say we can take anything common. Yes, we can take pi r is common. So inside the brackets we are left with L plus 2h plus 2r. Now let us substitute the values. Pi, we know, yes, it is 3.14. The radius, yes, it is 10. Now inside the brackets, let's start with slant height. The slant of the cone is 14.1. Next we have is the height of the cylinder. Yes, it is 40. So we'll write 2 into 40. Again, now the radius is 10. So we'll write 2 into 10. Now let us further solve this. 3.14 into 10 is equal to 31.4. Inside the brackets, first we'll write 14.1. Now 2 into 40 is 80 and 2 into 10 is 20. Now 31.4 is the next step into 14.1 plus 80 plus 20. Yes, it is 114.1. If we multiply 31.4 with 114.1, the answer is 3582.74. So we can say therefore the total surface area of the toy is 3582.74 centimeter square. Now next we will find the volume of the toy in the next module. Thank you so much.